Hello everyone, this is Saloni Sharma from KMIT third year CSE. In this video, I'll be talking about what I worked on for Tech for Autism Dyslexia. So the shape design game. For the shape design game, I had some huge major updates to be made. So the first one I made was I had a new JSON file and I specified the SVJ coordinates of each shape there. And from there, I'm fetching all the shapes, even the designs. So this is the start screen. Then the next change I made is had I made a new therapist screen where the therapist selects the designs and those designs will be sent in randomized order to the next screen, which is preview design, where the designs are shown for 5 seconds and then it is redirected to another screen, which is where the user drags and drops the shapes to recreate the design. Then the report generation. I made the report generation UI. This is just a prototype version. Here, the inputs, dynamic inputs are to be entered, and based on them, the report is generated. Then these are the report generation charts. Basically, we have three charts for now, which is in page number 2, 5, and 6. So for them, the data has to be entered, and based on the entered data, the dynamic graphs are generated. This is the first one. This is the second and third one. Let me show you the game first. So this is the game.
The design is shown for 10 seconds only. You have to memorize it and make the exact same design.
This is done using speech synthesis. So these are the designs. For now, I have 5 designs. So the therapist selects the design and then clicks on send to preview design. So then the user has to drag and drop the shapes to recreate the design and then evaluate the answer.
Good job.
So this is a randomized order of the designs.
Good job.
This way, the game is to be played this way. So this is a report generation UI which I talked about. This is just a prototype version. Also the charts are also the prototype. Make further improvements in them. So here the inputs for the report generation are made and then submit. When they submit it, the inputs are taken and the report is generated with the dynamic inputs and dynamic inputs of chart. So this is the code for the shape design game. This is app.js. Here is the start screen. Then the next component which the app redirects to is the shape selection screen. Here the therapist will select the shapes and this has the functionality to send the randomized order of shapes to preview design. In preview design, the designs are shown for 5 seconds and then it redirects to local area where the user drags and drops the shapes to recreate the design. Here, when the user correctly answers, it is redirected to shape design to show the next design from the randomized order. So I only have 4 components. First, the start screen. Second, the selection, where the therapist selects the design. Third one is the preview design, where the designs are shown for 5 seconds and the user has to memorize it. The fourth one is the draggable screen component, where the user recreates the design. And if all the shapes, designs are dynamically fetched from JSON. Thank you.